Hello students, let us solve some more problem from CSIR-Net exam. Topic is quantum mechanics. So in this problem, you have been given a two-dimensional harmonic oscillator potential, and they are asking what is the energy of the first excited state. So the potential, two-dimensional potential xy can be written as half m omega square x square, and the second term I can write half m 2 omega square y square. So my potential becomes m omega square x square half m omega dash square y square, where omega dash is equal to 2 omega. Now I want to write the energy. So energy will be En will be what? And will be nx plus half h cut omega plus ny plus half h cut omega dash. Now for ground state, I can write nx0, ny0, and for first excited state, I can write nx0, nx1, and ny0. Now here you can ask why not nx0, ny1? So because the frequency of ny is more. So if I put ny1 here, total energy will come more than the when I put nx is equal to 1 here. So I need first excited state. So I have to take the lesser energy. So I am putting nx1 here and y0 here. So this gives me energy En equals to 0 half h cut omega. And when I use so this become 1 here, so it becomes 3/2 h cut omega. And I when we use this one, this gives me ny is equal to 0, so half h cut omega dash, and omega dash is 2 omega. So 2 cancels. So this is 3/2 h cut omega, and this is h cut omega. Total become 5/2 h cut omega. And the correct answer is D for this question. Hope you understand the solution. Thank you very much.